So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this magnetic powder out of some steel wool and some matches. So the first step to making some of your own magnetic powder is to just take your steel wool and cut it up. It is kind of hard to cut because it's steel. But you could do it all at once, but it would make your bowl really hot. So what you want to do is just take your matches and touch the steel wool. And it should just start sparking like that. Just blow on it to make it go faster. Make sure it doesn't go out, like I just did. If it goes out, it's alright because you can just light it again. You don't need all of it lit, but you want to get as much as you want lit. See, this was on the bottom, so this didn't get lit. To help light it up, you can just like pull the strands out a little bit and do that. See? So just let it eat itself away while you blow on it. Now there's a little ember in there, but it's like it's already burned out, so we're just gonna let that cool down for a second. Alright, the ember's out now, so I'm just gonna try to like take it apart, but there's still some more unburned stuff here, so I'm just gonna burn that again. It can get hot, so be careful. It'll take a while to do it all, so just let it go for a while. Be careful because you can accidentally breathe in some like metal fumes that aren't good for you. Alright, so it's all like burned out now. So I'm just gonna take this pencil and just hit it like this and get like the magnetic powder to fall out. You want to get as much as possible. So just you can go into your hands if you want to. Right. Okay, I wouldn't recommend doing that because that hurts. Okay, I just wash my hands. And now this bowl's kind of thick. It does work, but it's really thick, so I'm going to just pour it out into this plastic bowl. And you can see as compared to the rest, it's not that great because there's still tufts of like the wool in it. You can see I can hold it, but you shouldn't be able to. So what you want to do is just grab it and just like get all the powder out of there and then do it again. You don't want the stuff that's left over. you want to put the stuff that's still in your hand, like this. You want to put it somewhere else. I'm just using a napkin. And you should be left over with that much. Or, not about that much, but that's how much I got from this. So you want to do it a couple of times to get it right. I did a big one like this, and that got the bowl really hot, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. Now I'm going to do the rest of this. Or probably not all of it though. If you're getting tired of lighting all these matches and wasting them, you can use a candle instead of lighting it every time. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna put this over here. So you might notice like your workspace getting like dirty here. So what you want to do is put your magnet in a Ziploc bag and just run it like along it, and it should clean most of this stuff up. See. If you want to make it go faster, what I recommend doing is just unrolling the ball it comes in, and just cutting off yourself a little piece. And then to make it go faster, just like fluff it up, because I don't know why, but that makes it go faster. And it dies out less. Probably don't want to do it this much, but I'm just gonna put that in there. And then I'm gonna light it and see what happens. As you can see, I'm not even blowing on it. Alright, now I'm blowing it. Alright, this much is not going to get me a lot, so I'm just going to like compress it down a little bit. And then put some more in there. So I'm just going to put the rest of that in there. Alright, now let's try. I'm not blowing it. Oh no. Okay, so update. I might have accidentally lit the rest of my steel wool on fire, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna let that dry out because I still have this much to burn. So I burned that much that I stretched out, and I got about that much. So, but that's not gonna be a lot, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. And time up. Now, after doing that for a while, we have this really nice magnetic powder. And stay tuned and subscribe because next video we're going to be making something out of this.